Hello everybody. Welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to make Google Docs editable by anyone. This simple yet powerful feature can completely transform the way you share and collaborate on documents, making it easier for everyone involved. Whether you're working with a team, coordinating a project, or simply need input from others, ensuring that your Google Docs are editable by anyone with a link can significantly streamline the process. Let's dive right into it. The first thing you need to do is open your preferred web browser. Head over to Google and in the search bar, type Google Docs. Once you see the search results, click on the link to open Google Docs. It's important to be signed into your Google account, as this will give you full access to your documents and the ability to modify their sharing settings. If you're not signed in yet, take a moment to do so now. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on a page displaying a list of all your existing documents. From this list, choose the document that you want to make editable by others. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Look towards the top right corner of the document. You will see a blue button labeled Share. This button is your gateway to unlocking the document's collaboration features. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking the Share button, a dialog box will appear on your screen. This box is crucial, as it holds all the settings you need to adjust. Focus your attention on the section labeled General Access. By default, this is usually set to Restricted, meaning only individuals you specifically invite can view or edit the document. But we're here to change that. To make your document accessible to anyone, click on the drop-down menu under General Access. This action will reveal a few options. Here, you're looking for the option that says Anyone with the link. Selecting this option ensures that anyone who has the link can interact with your document. But hold on, we're not quite finished yet. Next to where you selected Anyone with the link, there is another drop-down menu. This menu determines the role of those who access your document, and by default, it might be set to Viewer. To allow others to make changes, click on this menu and switch the role to Editor. By doing this, you provide full editing privileges to anyone who receives the link. Now that you've configured these sharing settings, it's time to share your document with others. Look within the same sharing settings dialog for the Copy Link button. By clicking this button, you copy the shareable URL to your clipboard, making it easy to distribute. Click Done to save these changes. With the link copied, you can now paste it into an email, chat, or any platform where your collaborators are. This setup eliminates the need for them to have a Google account, and you'll be able to collaborate smoothly, quickly, and promptly, making it incredibly handy for collaborative projects or when working with people who might not use Google often. By following these steps, you have successfully made your Google Doc editable by anyone with a link. This feature can be a game changer for teamwork and collaboration, providing a seamless way to gather input and make changes collectively. Happy collaborating, and see you in the next video. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily learn how to make Google Docs editable by anyone. If you want more videos like how to make Google Docs editable by anyone, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online.